This is the brief on ARPA Network. So, ARPA Network, what's the deal? Well, it's this crypto infrastructure project, right? And its whole thing is providing randomness, verifiable randomness, mainly for stuff like Web3 games. They actually just pulled in $6 million in strategic funding, too. Okay, we've got three key things you need to know. First up, the problem they're solving. See, blockchains, super predictable, actually, which is kind of bad if you need real, fair randomness for things like games, lotteries, or even NFT mints. So, ARPA's answer? It's called Randcast. Think of it as a super secure random number generator. And the verifiable part, that's key. It means you can actually check the math yourself to be sure everything's legit and nobody messed with the results. Second, let's dive into how they do it and why it's kind of cool. They use this clever crypto technique, threshold BLS signatures. Basically, it makes things faster and more reliable. But here's the real kicker. ARPA plugs into EigenLayer as what's called an AVS, an actively validated service. Why does that matter? Well, it means ARPA basically borrows the massive security blanket of staked Ethereum through restaking. Huge advantage, right? Makes them way more secure than, say, competitors like Chainlink VRF, who just rely on their own token.
This is a great point to quickly pause and remind our listeners of something.
That's right, Sarah. If you're enjoying how we break down these complex projects into simple pieces and want more reviews just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, CryptoBox. We do all the complex research, so you don't have to. Okay, finally, let's talk risks. Big competition from Chainlink VRF for sure. Then there's the token, ARPA. It's inflationary right now because of staking rewards. Plus, watch out for early 2025. That's when all the early investor and team tokens finish vesting. Could mean sell pressure. And maybe the biggest thing, some really important smart contracts, even the EigenLayer AVS one, are still controlled by just one wallet. That's, a centralization risk they really need to fix, like pronto. So, ARPA, a slick crypto utility, leveraging EigenLayer's security boost to grab a piece of that growing market for trustworthy randomness in Web3.